Join your class in time. Vansh, you are not in school uniform?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Were you all able to understand whatever I taught you in last 2 days? Any query? Any query? Children, do you have any query in whatever I taught you in last 2 days? Please reply. Akshat, any query? Akshat, do you have any query? Soham, any query?
No, ma'am. No.
Akshat, any query in whatever concepts I've taught you in the last 2 days?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Jagnoor, any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we'll continue from where we left yesterday. I'm just waiting for the children. Yahavi is again entering with her brother's name. I'll also send you the latest list of your roll numbers of your class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Yahavi, change your name, beta.
Yes, ma'am. I'm changing it.
Please try to change before you enter, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll share your latest roll numbers that you can put your roll number before your name. And names automatically get arranged this way. In the participant list also, if you write with name, a number in the starting, they get arranged automatically.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have a confusion in my roll number.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'll send you the late in a day or two. I'll send you the latest list.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Children, in case ma'am will come, we are going to wish her, so that we need to clarify that nobody else has come except ma'am, okay? We need to check also.
Ma'am, she was there with us yesterday also.
So we'll wish from next time. I am just informing you people that we are going to wish her just to check whether she is there or not. Sometimes somebody may also have come. So yesterday I have a doubt. There was some name. The name was not in earlier, and in between, do you remember? A light went off.
Yes, ma'am.
Rudransh. Rudransh is not in our class. Manthan is entering with his brother's name. Has Manas entered? Admit, has come to the class? Manas, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, my name is, ma'am, the first is roll number, then is my name.
Yes, yes, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
Very fine. As soon as Rudransh come, we'll have to inform him.
ma'am.
Change the name. Good morning. Let me just tell you the absentees. Then I'll start my class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. I can see 31 children. I can see 31 children. I'll just call out the names of absentees. Arna is not here. Abir is not here. Then Chirag is not here. Deepika, Dharanj has joined. Okay. Madhav is not here. Vidya has joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Vidya here, yeah. Okay, Ria is not here. Safira?
voice is breaking.
Safira? Is Safira here? No.
No, ma'am. She's not.
And Shubh is not here. Others are present. A lot of time goes in this. Now, good morning to all. Very good morning. You all are wishing me very good. Now, let us start.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vidya. Videos on. Why I need to repeat? Rudransh, Manthan, change the name.
Sorry, ma'am.
Brother's name
What
is
is his
visible.
name?
Children, I hope I told you yesterday also. Yesterday also, I removed 5 children from the other classes whose videos were off. I'll not keep on repeating these instructions. You should be used to of it. Otherwise, I'll start removing you people. You'll not come to know how I'm being removed. Okay, I'll start from where we left yesterday.
We
Can
were
you
on
all
question
see?
number 4.
Yes, we were doing this question. Let's think. Let's think in the given figure. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. Yesterday, I taught you supplementary and complementary angles. Complementary angles are the angles, pair of angles, whose sum is, Manthan, what is the sum of complementary angles?
Ma'am, sum of complementary angle is 90 degrees.
Very good. Now, Manas, what is the sum of 2 supplementary angles?
Ma'am, 180 degree.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
180 degree.
Okay, here they are saying 1 and 2 are supplementary. It means their sum will always remain 180. Is that clear? Do you all agree with me? The sum will always remain 180. They are saying if 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Matlab, we need to decrease something from here. What will happen to 2 so that the sum
Ma'am,
remains?
extension.
2 should add 1. Plus 2 and 2. Minus 1.
Ma'am, 2 should be. Ma'am, 2 should be
there's-
extended.
If there's minus 1
Kashmir
in
is
first
raising your
angle.
hand. Not like this. You have to raise your hand, then only I'll allow. Otherwise, I'll mute you all. Kashmir, yes, beta. You are ready with the answer?
Ma'am, the number of degrees that we will decrease from 1, that number of degrees we will add to 2.
Very good. Let's all clap for her. Very good. Whatever number of degrees we decrease from angle 1, same number of degrees we need to increase in angle 2 so that they still remain supplementary. Please write down the answer. Write down. If angle 1 is decreased, angle 2 will be increased by same number of degrees.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have to bring my book. Can I please switch off my video?
हाँ कर रहा बेटा, जल्दी से लेके आओ. Bring it fast. If angle 1 is decreased, angle 2 would be increased by same number of degrees so that both the angles still remain supplementary. Still remain supplementary.
Can you repeat?
Yes. If angle 1 is decreased, angle 2 will be increased by the same number of degrees so that both the angles remain supplementary. So that both the angles remain supplementary.
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Parlin, have you done? Daksh, have you done?
Ma'am, done. Yes,
Daksh, have you written the answer?
Done, ma'am.
Jagnur, have you written the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Naranj? Naranj, have you done, beta?
I am writing.
Anish, were you able to complete?
Ma'am, can you repeat one more?
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, let's move to the next
Then,
part.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you please repeat again? Actually, I went to take
Your
my
voice is very low. Who is speaking? Raise your hand first so that I can see the hand and I can visualize who is speaking. I'm not able to see right now anybody's hands raised. Let me check. Yes, Tavleen, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am saying please repeat again because I went to take my notebook and book. So I
Okay,
missed that.
I said if angle 1 is decreased, angle 2 should be increased with the same number of degrees. Angle 2 should be increased by the same number of degrees. Rishank, have you written? Those who have, Himnish, any query, better you raise the hand.
No, ma'am, I wanted to give the answer.
Very good.
Ma'am, I'll give.
Okay, if angle 1 is decreased, angle 2 should be increased by same number of degrees so that both the angles still remain supplementary. I'll give you example. Suppose this is 120 and this is 60. If I decrease, if I make it 110, 10 degree, if I decrease 10 degree from angle 1, 10 degree I have to add in angle 2. This is what I wanted to say. Am I clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Put your hands down, children, those who had raised, in case their query is solved. Now, this is just for discussion, but you should know. Can two angles be supplementary? Both of them are acute?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. They cannot be. No,
They
ma'am.
cannot be. Daksh,
Ma'am, it can be
Ma'am,
obtuse
yes.
and right. It can be obtuse and right.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
yes.
no, not obtuse. Ma'am, only right.
wait, Himnish is answering. Let everybody listen to him. Himnish.
Possible.
Himnish.
Both of the sum of the two acute angles is less than 180 degree.
Who answered? Should I start removing the children? Those who have,
Yes,
those videos are off. Should I start removing the children? I told you in the starting I'll remove. You'll not come to know who is being removed. And before answering, raise your hand. Otherwise, I'll mute all of you. Rachit, speak up. Rachit,
Ma'am, I think we can do in obtuse, ma'am, because if two obtuse angles are added, it will represent 180 degree.
No, ma'am, it will not. Ma'am, only right is correct.
very good. Who answered?
Ma'am, Himnish.
Himnish, not like this. Nishtha, I am removing you. Sarthak, I am
Ma'am,
removing you. Rupam, I am removing you.
Ma'am,
Vanshika, I
because
am
if
removing you.
ma'am, because if we add two obtuse angles, it can be over 180 degree and
Very
under
good,
360
very good. So
degree.
you write
It
the
can
answer
give
on your
us
own.
reflex
This was a question of discussion.
Two acute angles is less than 180 degree.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay,
do we have
Himnish,
to do this in our notebooks?
Himnish will repeat the answer of all the three parts.
had a doubt.
Himnish will repeat the answer of all the three parts and everybody is going to listen. Then we will discuss the query if anybody has. Himnish, bolo beta.
Acute angle, ma'am, it's not possible, ma'am, because the smallest number can 90 degrees, the smallest number that can be added and give 180 degrees.
No, acute angle is less than 90. Acute
Yes,
angle is less than 90. So even if
so it will give a number smaller than 180 degrees.
yes, whenever we add two acute angles, the total of them cannot be 180. Similarly for
Even the-
obtuse, whenever we add two obtuse angle, the sum will always be more than 180. Only in case of right angle, two angles can be supplementary. This was a discussion question. This was expected. Children are going to discuss with the teacher and they are going to pen down themselves. Will you be able to write down? I think I have made you understood. Everybody has understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now this is just a recap of whatever we have done till now. And now I am going to call the names. Only those children whom I am going to call will answer. A dash is a geometrical element which has no dimensions. Nikunj. Ronit. Ronit, reply. Rachit.
Point.
Point. Very good. Point. 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 Next, a line is a straight path which has dash and point. Sarthak will answer. Sarthak will
Ma'am, do
answer.
we have to write this in our notebook?
Yes, write down. Sarthak, I have asked you a question, otherwise I am removing those who will not answer me also. I am going to remove those children. A line is a straight path which has dash and points. Vanshika, answer.
Ma'am, 2 and point. Ma'am, 2 and point.
Vanshika is answering. I am asking Vanshika. A line is a straight path which has dash and points. Vanshika, speak up. No. Line has no endpoints. Line segment has 2 endpoints. A dash is a straight path which has 2 endpoints. I have answered. Rachit.
Yes, ma'am.
Rachit, you have raised the hand.
No, ma'am, that was by mistake. Sorry.
Somebody else. All the answer will not be answered by English only.
Ma'am, should I answer?
Ma'am, can which one? Which one?
Prashant, a dash is a straight path which has
Ma'am,
2
line
endpoints.
segment.
Line segment, very good. A ray is a line which has 1 endpoint and dash from the other side.
No endpoint.
No, 1 endpoint and no endpoint from the other side, or arrow from the other side. No, can be extended from the other side. You can write can be extended from the
Ma'am,
other side.
extended from other side.
Extended
Expandable
from other side.
Extended.
Expandable.
I am going to share this PPT today. Don't worry, whatever is left out, you can finish off with that. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
I am stopping this share. I have to start with the next topic now. Complementary angle, adjacent angles, linear pair, new type of angles you'll come across. I am stopping this share. I'll change the share. Can you all see the share?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next topic. We are going to study next type of angles are adjacent angles, linear pair of angles, and vertically opposite angles. How are they formed? Let's see. Can you see these intersecting lines? Can you see these intersecting lines?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to also share one video with you. You're going to understand everything on your own. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Just understand the
Yes,
basic
ma'am.
properties. Intersection of lines and intersection of planes. But what does intersect actually mean? It's simple. It just means meet. If we have two lines, line L and line M, which meet, they are called intersecting lines. So what's special about intersecting lines? Two intersecting lines meet at exactly one point. Here, we would say that lines L and M intersect each other at point P. There are a couple of interesting things we need to know about intersecting lines. Let us look at two pairs of intersecting lines. The first pair is line A and line B, and the
Look it very
second pair
carefully,
is
listen it
line C
carefully.
and line D. No matter how they meet, they will form exactly one plane. Lines A and B form a plane like this. Lines C and D form a plane like this. This is the most important property about intersecting lines.
Yeah, they need to be in the same
Just
plane. They need to be in the same plane. This is the most important part they are saying. They need to be in the same plane. Like one line is on one plane, if it is on another plane, they will not meet. Two lines will meet only if they are on the same plane.
Let's erase this and look at an interesting figure. Look at lines L and M. Are these lines intersecting? From what you can see, they are not meeting at a point. But wait, one of the properties of a line is that it extends infinitely in both directions. So when these two lines are extended, they meet at one single point, at this point. This tells us that they are intersecting lines. Two intersecting lines always meet at a point. But what about three intersecting lines? We will see that in another video.
So this was the concept of intersecting lines. Whenever two lines, they meet
Two lines
in
meet.
some or the other way, we get intersecting lines. Let's see what different type of angles.
Ma'am,
Let's see
if they
what-
are on the different plane, then they will be parallel.
No, they may not be, but they will not intersect. This is for sure that they will not intersect.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's see what type of angles do they make. What type of angles do they make? Now, what type of angles you see around you people, around us? Like they have shown some angles. You can see some angles on your screen. These are the different type of angles that you come across.
Ma'am, like this.
Right now, I am not able to see you people. I have put my video panel on. I can see who all have put their video off. My video panel is on. I can see you people all. I think I have to start removing you people. Otherwise, you will not listen. You don't understand the instruction in one go. Rupam, I'm removing you. Now, what type of angles can you see? An angle here, blue marked with blue?
Yes, ma'am. Obtuse angle.
Yes, here also, can you see the angle? In between the two clock, in the clock, minute hand and hour hand makes an angle. Now, this is important. I'm going to explain you. You're going to write also. This is something very important. Adjacent angles. You can see here two angles, pair of angles. Adjacent angles are two angles that lie in the same plane, have a common vertex. Can you see here? A, B, C, C, B, D. They have a common vertex B.
B.
But no common interior points. And a common side also. This is a common side. BC is a common side. But no common interior points. But there is no interior point. Like whatever.
Ma'am, they should also.
हाँ मानस बोलो.
Ma'am, I was saying that they should also have either a side on both different points, ma'am.
Yes, like BA and BD are lying on the either side of BC. BA and BD are lying on the either side of BC. Look here, second example. BDA, ADC. Both of them are adjacent. Here, D is the common vertex. Whenever somebody asks you about adjacent angles, you have to look for, first of all, common vertex, then common arm and common vertex, and the other two sides should be on the either side of the common arm. Please note down this. This is something important. Please draw and note down. Sarthak, Prachi, I am removing you. I am really fed up now by telling you so many times. Once more you touch this video panel, you will be out of my class. Sarthak, am I not clear to you? Rupam, am I not clear to you?
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, speak up.
Ma'am, but in the second figure, BC line, AD line is on the interior of BC.
No, not on interior. BC is not an angle. Angles are BDA, ADC. These are two adjacent angles. Beta, it is not mentioned. You write the adjacent angles also here. पहले में लिखो example में ABC, CBD. First pair is ABC, CBD. Second pair is BDA, ADC. Okay? BC is not an angle. We're not talking about BC straight line. I'm not talking about. I'm saying these two angles BDA, ADC. Kashmi, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Please note down.
Done.
Tavleen, any query, beta? You have raised the hand. Okay. Write down this definition of adjacent angles. I have also sent one very interesting quiz on your Google Classroom based on this.
Ma'am, I have done it. Ma'am, I have seen it.
Very good. This was, I just tried first time. So I made a practice kind of thing. Next time we'll do for marks also. Nehal, speak up, beta. Nehal, bolo.
Ma'am, if ma'am, in our paper, ma'am, if it is given ABD is an angle and ABC is another angle. Are these two adjacent angles?
Where? First example or second example you're saying?
First one.
No, they are only adjacent if A, B, C and C, B, D are given. B is the
Because
common.
there is no either.
No, in case of ABD, we don't have common. We have common vertex, but angle arms are not on the either side. The other two arms should be on the either side. BC is a common arm, and so BA and BD should be on the other side of BC. Okay, Nehal, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note down. Put your hand down, otherwise it is disturbing the children to write. Nehal, put your hand down, beta.
Oh.
Children, if you have written, I want to move to the next definition.
Ma'am, I have done.
Group thana pe.
Children, please go through your study material in your NCERT book also. It's beautifully given there. Next is, now they have again non-example. Here they are saying which are not adjacent. Like here, in adjacent angles, we need to find this. Common vertex is here, but common side is not here. Common side is not here.
Ma'am, we have to write this also.
No need to write. Just I wanted to make you understand. And no common interior point. These 3 points are important whenever we are looking for adjacent angles. One is common vertex, one is common side, and no common interior point. Okay, some more examples. You can just refer here. You can go through this PPT again to understand it further. Like here, first, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. You can see here. Non-adjacent is here. Angle 1 and angle 2 means if you are saying this angle, this one, can you see the mouse?
Ma'am, because we have no common side. Ma'am, because we have no
there is
common
no
side.
common side. Third, also this example. Can you all see the mouse I am moving? I take the mouse to make you understand which example I am talking about. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here also in third example, there is no common vertex. Here, they are adjacent. Second
Excuse me,
example.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if the angles are having one common vertex and one common side, but not the common interior points, so they will be considered as non-adjacent.
Yeah, नहीं, there's I am saying common vertex होना चाहिए, common arm होनी चाहिए, no common point. Okay? Or you can
Yes.
also, like Manas was saying, in NCERT it is mentioned the other two arms should be on the other side. Like here you can see this arm and this arm. Can you see the movement of my mouse? These
Yes, ma'am.
two arms.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
in many lectures of YouTube also they are saying this only.
These two arms should be on the other side of this arm. This was a common arm. ये वाली arm और ये वाली arm. This is on the other side. दोनों इधर और उधर होने चाहिए. Okay. This is not adjacent. This is these are not. Yes.
Ma'am, I have to draw it. I can't hear properly.
No, you can't. You don't need to draw. They are just to make you understand. आपको सिर्फ definition लिखनी थी adjacent की. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Very good. Now, second definition, a linear pair. All these angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, or one third angle, third pair will also come. They all come in pair. ये pairs में ही आते हैं. Like a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles. एक type का adjacent angles ही होते हैं, but whose non-common sides are opposite ray. Here, this is adjacent also. This is an example of adjacent also, and they are linear also. Why? B, A, D, A, or
180.
E, sum is 180.
Ma'am, 180 degree.
Yes. Here, when I say A, D, C, C, D, B, they are adjacent but not linear because they are both, their sum is not 180. This angle and this angle.
मैम ये जरूरी होता है कि मैम जब भी लीनियर पेयर हो तो एंगल्स जो है वो एडजेसेंट ही होने चाहिए कि
हाँ, वो होता ही है. Whenever an angle is
Okay.
linear pair, it is adjacent. but when it is adjacent it may not be linear pair. Have you got my point? may का मतलब समझ आया ना? may ऐसा हो सकता है कि एक पेयर लीनियर पेयर है, वो तो डेफिनेटली एडजेसेंट होगा, लेकिन जो एडजेसेंट है that is not necessarily be linear pair. Am I clear, children? Please write this definition also, very important definition. A linear pair.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, I did not understand linear pair.
Linear pair means beta two adjacent angles whose sum is 180.
Is it compulsory?
Okay.
Like here BDA, ADC, they have a common arm, common vertex, and non-common arms on the other side. But they also have one added property that their sum is 180. एक straight line पे बन रहे हैं. So BDA, CDA, their sum is 180. Okay? Whenever adjacent angles,
Ma'am,
I'm
will
again
you send
repeating.
the PPT in Google Classroom?
I'll send till here. यहीं तक भेज देंगे आपको हम linear pair तक.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, I'm stop sharing. Very less time is left. I'm stopping the share. Yes. This is something new, children, we have done today. Somebody will first hurriedly repeat what we did today. Raisa, जल्दी से बोलो बेटा, क्या क्या कौन कौन से एंगल्स किए हमने?